Dear students, today we are going to start mathematical logic exercise 1.2. Now question number 2. Using the truth tables, prove the following logical equivalences. In question number first, negation of P and Q is equivalent PRQ and negation P. So what will be its solution? So dear students, first you have to consider all formulae. First think the formulae clearly for P and Q, PRQ, P implies Q, that is P conditional Q, and P biconditional Q and negation of P. तो सभी रूल्स पहले अपने ध्यान में ले लो, अपने दिमाग में स्टोर कर लो कि हमारे पास रूल्स क्या हैं. मैं एक बार फिर से रिवाइज कर देना चाहता हूँ सभी रूल्स को. इन शॉर्ट इनके ट्रिक्स क्या हैं, व्हाट आर द ट्रिक्स फॉर लॉजिकल truth table or logical equivalences. So see very carefully the logical equivalences. Your first question is negation of P and Q equivalent to PRQ and negation of P. So how to solve this table? First you have to prepare different columns. So first you have to check how many different letters are there. So we see that there are two different letters P and Q. So first we write in the first column P and in the second column Q. And you know very well for P double T double F and for Q TF TF. Then its a different part is negation P. So we write in the third column negation P. For negation P, just opposite of P. Here it is double T double F. So it will be double F double T. Now negation P and Q. So negation P and Q. So negation P and Q, ये दोनों see these two columns. Then negation P and Q can be written as, what is the AND rule? AND rule is if both are true, then it is true, otherwise false. So we see that both are true in this row only. So this will be true and others are FF here and here it is F. So others will be false, false, false. Now in the column number 5, it is PRQ. So what is the rule of PRQ? If any one is true, then it is true. Now see, this is T, this is T, this is T. Right? Any one is true, then it is true. Then both are false, so it is false. So this will be triple T F. Clear? Now PRQ and negation P from column number 3 and column number 5 using AND in column number 3 and column number 5. So it is F and T becomes F, means anyone, if both are true then it is true, otherwise false. So देखो both are true, only this row, this here it is T, otherwise it is FF and F. And in column number 7, now whole statement negation P and Q, negation P and Q, and here it is PRQ and negation of P. No, sorry, just a minute. This should be only PRQ and negation P. Now this should be PRQ and P. So we see PRQ and negation P, means column number 5 and column number 3 using AND we get FFTF. Now see from column number 3, column number 3 is negation P, which is from column number 3 and 7 it we get now from column number 4 and 7 we get negation P and Q is equivalent to PRQ and negation P. How it is equivalent? Now see column number 4, it is double FTF and it is also double FTF. So both the elements in both the columns, all elements are equivalent, means same, therefore they are equivalent relations. So first one completed. Now see question number 2. In it is a negation of P or Q or negation P and Q equivalent to negation P, means its left hand side must be equal to right hand side. It is equivalent relation. So it for its solution, we see that there are two letters only, two different letters. So we write in the first column P and second column Q. So for P double T double F and for Q TF TF. In column number 3 we write negation P. In column number 4 we write PRQ. In column number 5 negation P RQ. And in column number 6 negation P and Q. This is entire negation, this is only negation P. This is 7th column. So we write here negation of P or Q or negation P and Q, means full left hand side. Okay. So after this, in column number 3 negation of P. So negation of P is double F double T. In column number 4 P R Q. See the rule of P R Q. For R anyone is true, then it is true. So this will be T T T F. And negation of P R Q, just opposite of this column. Here triple T F. So this will be triple F T. For column number 6 negation P and Q. So negation P and Q we see column number 3 and column number 2. F and T F, F and F F, T and T T, and T and F F. So this will be F F T F. Now for column number 7 we see negation column number 5 and column number 6 and using R in between them. So F or F is F, F or F is F, F or T is T, T or F is T. Because if anyone is true, then it is true in OR condition, OR. Now we see that column number 3 is negation P, which is right hand side of the given statement. It is double F double T. And column number 7, which is left hand side of the given statement, it is double F double T. So we see that both are equal. Therefore, from column number 3 and 7, negation of PRQ or negation P and Q is equivalent to negation P. Okay, it is proved. Now see question number 3. So for question number 3, P biconditional Q equivalent to negation of PRQ and negation of P and Q. So dear students, you should try this question yourself in the homework. If any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. For biconditional, I'll explain the rules once again. For biconditional, if both have same letters, means both are T or both are F, then this will be true, otherwise false. P or Q, anyone is true, then it is true. P and Q, both are true, then it is true, otherwise false. Okay, so you can prepare this table easily. And for question number 4, P conditional Q conditional P equivalent to negation P conditional Q, or you can say P implies Q implies P, equivalent negation of P implies Q, P to Q. So dear students, you should try this question in the homework, because this question is very easy and only one rule and one negation is there, because single implication, for the single implication only T to F, only if P then Q, only T to F is false, otherwise it is true always. So follow this rule and complete the table. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, now see question number 5 with a full solution, because it contains 3 elements, 3 different letters. What is question number 5? P or Q implies, or single implication are equivalent. P implies R and Q implies R. So how many different columns you have to prepare? This must be 8 columns. This question contains 8 columns. In the first column you have to write P, second column Q, and third column R. So first fill these three columns. For the first column, जैसा for three statements you know very well. For the statement P, you have to write here 4 times T, 4 times F. And second, double T, double F, double T, double F. For third column, that is R, TF, 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 TF. Okay, these are the three basic columns for statement PQR. After that, we need PRQ column. So in the fourth column, we write PRQ. For the PRQ, now see this PRQ, first and second column. If anyone is true, then it is true. So we see that only last two elements contains FF and FF, right? So these two will be false, otherwise remaining will be true. T, 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 6 times and double F. Okay? Means follow the rule always for PRQ. P and Q, P implies Q, P biconditional Q and negation. Okay? Now, next one, it is P to R, P conditional R. Now see that, see first column and the third column for P conditional R. So only in this case, only if R is false, only R is false, then it is false, otherwise true. Right? So this is only T to F, only one element is false, otherwise it is true always. Here F to F is T, T to T, T, and F to T also T, only T to F is false, only one element is false, otherwise true. Similarly, Q to R, we get this column, this is also based on same rule, and we see second column and third column. So T to T, T, and here T to F, F, F to T, T, and FF, T, T to T, T, and TF, F, and then again it is T and it is T, right? So sixth column is ready now. After that, in seventh column, we have to write PRQ to R, means left hand side of the given equivalence relation. So left hand side is this. We see that PRQ, it is given in the column number 4, and for R it is in column number 3. So from here to here we write single implication. Okay, so same rule here again. So we get column number 7, applying same rule. For right hand side, P to R and Q to R, for P to R and Q to R using column number 5 and 6 and applying AND rule in between them, T and T, T, and T and T, it is T, but T and F is F, right? Means if both are true, then it is true, otherwise false. So this will be false, this will be false, right? Now compare the columns 7 and 8. Are they equal? It is TF, 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 double T. Now see this TF, 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 double T, right? So all the elements are same in column number 7 and 8. Therefore, from column number 7 and 8, PRQ to R is equivalent to P to R and Q to R. Hence, proved. Now see question number 6. So question number 6 is also very easy question. 6, 7 and 8. Try these three questions in the homework. They are not very large question and not very lengthy. They are very easy question. If any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, logic is very easy lesson, so you can complete easily. Now see question number 9. Because it contains negation of PRQ or PRQ and R equivalent to R. So there are three different letters. We write here P, Q, R in the column number first, second, and third. In column number 4, we write only PRQ. In column number 5, negation of PRQ. In column number 6, negation of PRQ or PRQ. In column number 7, whole left hand side. Okay. So first we complete for P 4 times T, 4 times F, and for Q double T, double F, double T, double F, and for R TF, 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 TF. For PRQ, anyone is true, then it is true. So we get T, 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 and FF. Now see this for PRQ. Only F or F. Only F or F is F, and here F or F is F. Otherwise, it is true always. In column number 5, negation of PRQ. So negation of PRQ is what? Just opposite of column number 4. Here 6 times T, so we write here 6 times F, and then last one is FF, so this will be TT, just opposite of column number 4. We get column number 5. Column number 6, negation of PRQ and or PRQ, means using or in these two columns. So we see that for or, if anyone is true, then it is true. So 6 times here it is true, and 2 times here it is true. Means anyone is true in all the elements, at least one is true, then it is true. So this will be only T. All elements are true. Okay. Now column number 7. For column number 7, using 6th and R, means column number 3 and column number 6, using and in between them. So if both are true, then it is true, otherwise false. So for column, this is T and T, it is T. After that, F and T, it is T. Sorry, it is F. T and T, it is T. Similarly, we can prepare remaining elements and then compare the column number 3 and column number 7. So in column number 3, we see that the elements are TF, 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 TF. Okay. And in column number 7, it is TF, 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 TF. We see that both the columns are same. Therefore, from column number 3 and 7, negation of PRQ or PRQ and R is equivalent to R. Hence, proved. Means both are equal columns. Now see question number 10th. For question number 10, what is question number 10? Negation of P by conditional Q equivalent to P and negation Q or Q and negation P. So we see that only two different letters are there, only P and Q. So using two different letters table, so prepare first and second column for P and Q, for P double T double F, and for Q TF TF, right? Third column, it is negation P, one different element, and negation Q is also there. We write in column number 3 and 4 negation P and negation Q respectively. For negation P, just opposite of P, it is double T double F. So for negation P, double F double T. For negation Q, it is TF TF. So for this column, FT FT. P biconditional Q, already explained, only if both contains same letters it is true, otherwise false. So T biconditional T is true and F biconditional F is true, otherwise false. So T F F T. In sixth one, negation of column number 5 using just opposite F T T F. For column number 7, P and negation Q. So we see the column first and fourth. See the column first and 4, we get, and using AND rule, we get T and F F. It is T and F, T and T T, and it is T and F, and then F and T. So we get F T F F. For column number 8, Q and negation P, so we see column 2 and column number 3, and we get F F T F using AND rule. For column number 9, using column number 7 and 8, and in between them OR rule. So F or F, F, T or F, T, F or T, it is T, and F or F is F. Means for OR rule, any one is true means at least one is true, then it is true always, otherwise false. So it is OR rule. So after that we write here from column number 6 means this column F double T F, and column number 9 F double T F. Negation of P by conditional Q is equivalent to P and negation Q or Q and negation P. So dear students, question number 2 completed now. So please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.